Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to ignore and unignore a conversation on Messenger. So let's start. First, open the Messenger app. Now long press the conversation you want to ignore. And here you'll see many options. Now tap Ignore Messages and tap Ignore. And you'll see that the message is ignored and it will be removed from here. Now to unignore, tap on your profile icon on top left corner and go to Message Request. If you don't find the conversation here, then tap on Spam. And you'll see the conversation here. Now open the conversation and it will show a message that if you reply, it will automatically unignore the conversation. Now to unignore, I'll just reply to this conversation. I'll just write a message and send. Now if you go back to the Messenger feed, you will see the conversation here. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.